For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The novel coronavirus continues to spread aggressively in Maharashtra. The situation is no better in Maharashtra and the state continues to see highest daily spike in the number of cases. What's alarming is Mumbai is seeing a staggering 83% of COVID deaths among people who are aged 50 and above. According to the BMC, they add up to 42% of total COVID-19 deaths in the state. Taking cognizance of the situation, the BMC has revised its home quarantine rules for those who are 50 and above. From here on, people who are 50 and above must undergo institutional quarantine instead of home quarantine if they test positive for COVID-19. BMC opines that this slight change in home quarantine rules would help doctors reduce the high mortality rate. BMC and the health officials identified the root cause of this grim situation. According to BMC, the condition of people who are above 50 years of age get worse after 4 to 5 days of home quarantine. After 5 days, the family members rush them to hospital and by then it will be too late for the doctors to treat them. This has resulted in a very high mortality rate among those who are aged 50 and above. Now on, patients will have to either choose government or private hospitals to undergo institutional isolation. Anybody above 50, irrespective of having comorbidities or symptoms, must be shifted to a COVID care center. As per revised norms, home isolation will now be allowed for asymptomatic persons who are below 50 and have no comorbidities. Earlier, the BMC had issued a guideline advising mandatory hospitalization for people above 60, which it has now revised. According to the analysis, 1 in 5 infections and 1 in 4 deaths in the city was from the age bracket of 50 to 59. The new recommendations are guidelines for ward-level officers who evaluate patients before advising on hospitalization or home isolation.
Home isolation has worked well for the young who are without comorbidities. Those who are above 50 years old should reach hospitals early, as that also ensures faster recovery.
Doctors opine that the prevailing situation is because of the delay in admission of patients who are 50 years and above. They believe that the situation wouldn't be so deteriorating if the patients got admitted to hospital at an early stage.
Institutional quarantine was highly recommended for those above 50 years of age with comorbidities and symptoms. It is because the second week can be tricky for a patient. One may become happy hypoxic without realizing it. Vigilance for home isolation has to be very high, and the question is how many people are able to do it effectively.
The revised rules have also raised concerns that what if people don't come forward to get tested for COVID-19? Even then, there will be a high mortality rate among those who are 50 and above due to delay in testing. The Maharashtra government indeed has a challenging task ahead. They will have to coax people to come forward for testing and not to fear for institutional quarantine.